How to send location on WhatsApp? Follow this guide. Firstly, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Next, open the chat with the person you want to send your location to. Then tap on the attachment icon at the bottom of the screen. From the menu that appears, select location. After that, a map will appear showing your current location. Now you have a few options. Here, choose send your current location to share where you are right now. However, if you want to send a specific place instead, tap the magnifying glass icon and search for any location. Furthermore, click on Share Live Location to let your friend know your real-time location. Additionally, choose a time period for how long you want to share your location. Finally, hit the send icon and it will instantly appear in the chat, and that's it. This is how to send location on WhatsApp.